Ice cream, you scream, and we all scream ice cream. So let's prepare this homemade, super rich, creamy, and fluffy custard flavor ice cream, which looks so attractive that my kids always love it. So let's begin making this perfect summer season delight. So first up, in a pan, we'll take in 2 cups of milk, which is around half a liter of milk, and let it come to a good boil. Try using full fat milk for the perfect creamy texture. It has come to a boil. I'm going to lower the flame and let it boil further. Next in, I'm adding half a cup of sugar. Mix that as well and let it boil further. If you want, you can also add half a cup of condensed milk instead. Let it cook. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the custard slurry, for which here I've taken about 2 to 3 tablespoons of custard powder. To this, I'm adding 1/4 cup of chilled milk. Mix it really well so that no lumps are seen, and a thick custard slurry is ready. You can see this. And now I'm going to gradually add in the custard slurry into the milk in batches and keep stirring it all the while so that no lumps are seen. So keep adding the mixture and mixing it. I added all of it and then I'm going to boil it further on low to medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until the custard has thickened enough. So after about 4 minutes, I'll show you the consistency. It has thickened nicely, you can see. So the ratio I'm telling you again, that is half a liter of milk and 3 tablespoons of custard powder, and this is vanilla flavored custard powder. So this is thickened enough, good coating consistency. I'm going to transfer this onto a bowl and let it set in the fridge for about some time, or until it is chilled enough or comes down to room temperature. Next up, here I've taken 1 cup of whipping cream, beat it on low speed and then gradually increase the speed to thicken it. So today I'm using the Stropolite brand of whipping cream. It's sweetened enough, so no need of adding extra sugar. But in case if your cream is not sweetened, you can add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Now whip it on high speed for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until the cream has thickened enough. You can see this consistency, stiff peak consistency. At this stage, we are going to add in the custard. Let's check the custard. The custard has also thickened enough. You can see this. It is thick and lumpy. I'm going to add this into the cream in batches and again beat it. So add all of it and again beat it for about 2 more minutes. So now the custard and the cream are nicely combined with each other. At this stage, I'm going to add in just a pinch of food color. This is yellow food color, just for that perfect presentation color, but it's completely optional. Mix that as well and again beat for 1 more minute. So that's the consistency we're looking for. Look at this creamy and rich fluffy base. Cover it with a cling wrap or a foil and let it semi-set. Yes, so the first stage is of semi-setting it. Let it semi-set in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours. And after 2 to 3 hours, you can see this texture, it's slightly set. We are going to whip this again. This is done to avoid any kind of ice crystallization. So after beating it for the second time for about 2 minutes, it's done enough. It's smooth and glossy. Transfer this onto any airtight container. Again cover it with a cling wrap and seal it. And then freeze it overnight. Let's remove and check. Oh wow, you can see the texture, how lovely it has come out. Let me scoop and show you. It's super creamy, it's super delicious, and it obviously looks super dense. Scoop it out and serve according to your need. And then I'm going to garnish it with some Tutti Frutti or some nuts on top. Look at this texture. Guys, when I'm having it, just look at the texture. So I hope you enjoyed this wonderful custard flavored ice cream. And in case you plan to recreate the same, all my socials are listed below. I love you guys so much. See you soon with a brand new one. Bye bye.